You're angry, I know. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Come on, get your tail out of there. That's it. Come on. That's it. You're right. That's it. All right. Come on, down you go. Come on. You're right, you're right. Just settle down. Let me check. You're very angry, aren't you? You're all right. Down you get, cheeky. Down you get. Come on. There's some scars on you. I just want to have a look at your scars. Make sure you're all right. Oh, just chill for me.
I think this is one. It's been in our back garden. This looks like the same size, but
Yep. He's got a little scar there. He's had an interculcation with something, but he's all right. So.
female or male, do you think? Or is it hard to tell?
Without probing them, you can't tell 100%.
Okay.
But probably a female, I guess. She's probably out. Come on, in you go. Come on, don't be sassy. Come on. Normally you just want to go in there because it's nice and safe. No. There, that's it. See, told you wanted to go in there.
Brilliant. Great job.